Guys, all the way po sina ma'am sa Iloilo City. So nag-avail po si Ma'am Mary June at si Sir Manuel ng ating 2025 Montero Sport Black Series Edition. Ito po yung ating setup niya, guys. Ayan, mayroon na po siya mga fender flare. Ayan guys, yung ating fender flare. Ayan, napakaganda. Tapos meron na rin siyang set garnish. Ayan, ikutan natin guys para makita nyo rin yung setup. Ayan. So guys, 2025 Montero Sport Black Series Edition. So all-in down payment ni na sir, 185,000 po, in-house financing. Ayan. So ayan guys, napakaganda, naka-fender flare na siya. Ayan. So avail na rin kayo guys para ma-avail nyo rin yung ganitong promo. 2025 Montero Sport Facelifted Black Series Edition. And maraming salamat Ma'am Mary Jane at Sir Manuel all the way from Iloilo City. God bless po.